Bybit has a built-in AI trading assistant, and most people have no idea it even exists. It is called TradeGPT, and it gives you live coin analysis, market news, portfolio insights, all inside the platform. I have been using it, and it is actually really good. So in this video, I will show you exactly how it works step by step. And if you want to sign up on Bybit, the link is in the description. You can get up to $30,000 in bonuses just for signing up and trading. Now let's get into it. All right, so first things first, you are going to need a Bybit account. If you already have one, you can skip ahead. If you do not, click the link in the description. It will take you directly to the sign up page where you will automatically unlock the full bonus package I personally negotiate for my community. You will not get all of those rewards without using the link, so make sure you use it. Once you are signed in and on the Bybit homepage, you are ready to go. The platform might look a little busy at first, but do not worry. I will walk you through exactly where to go and what to click. Keep in mind, everything I'm showing you today is completely free to use once you have an account. No extra subscriptions, no hidden fees. It is just built right into the platform. So to find TradeGPT, what you want to do is go to the top navigation bar and click on Tools. Once you're in there, look for TradeGPT and click on it. Now, when you open it up, you are going to see three main options right here: Chat Now, Lens, Daily Pulse. Each one of these does something different, and I'm going to walk you through all three of them. Let's start with Chat Now. So Chat Now is basically your personal investment assistant. Think of it like having ChatGPT, but it actually knows what is happening in the crypto market right now, and it is connected directly to Bybit's data. When you click on it, you will see a chat window, very similar to what you would see on any AI assistant. On the left side, you can add new chats, and you can also jump between Lens and Daily Pulse from here as well. Now inside the chat, you will notice there are three categories you can ask questions in: market analysis. This is where you can ask things like, what are the most popular news stories in crypto in the past 24 hours? What are the support and resistance levels for SWI right now? And it will give you a proper breakdown. Really useful for getting a quick read on the market before you open a trade. Smart token insights. Here you can ask for coin recommendations, find hot projects above a certain market cap, get a breakdown of what is trending and why. So if you are looking for your next trade idea, this is a great place to start. Bybit product updates. This one is more platform focused. You can ask FAQ style questions like how to navigate certain features, how to optimize your portfolio based on what you are currently holding, or even how to set up and create basic strategies for trading bots. Very handy if you are still getting familiar with the platform. Now, one thing I want to point out, you will see an option to enable deepthink. What this does is allow the AI to do deeper research before giving you an answer. It takes a little longer, but the responses are more thorough. So if you are doing serious research on a coin or a strategy, definitely turn that on. You can also see a list of coins directly below the chat. If you click on any of them, TradeGPT will pull up data like the current price, risk level, win rate prediction, indicator levels, and more. Really solid for a quick overview before you make a decision. One important thing to keep in mind, you do have a daily query limit of at least 20 questions, so use them wisely. Do not waste them on basic stuff you can Google. Save them for the questions that actually matter for your trades. By the way, if you want to build your own agentic AI for crypto, stocks, and other markets from start to finish and let it trade for you automatically, check out AI Trade Edge from the link down below. All right, next up is Lens, and this one is really interesting. I will keep this section a bit shorter because it is fairly straightforward once you see it. When you click on Lens, the first thing you will see at the top is all projects and today's project pick. The project pick is Bybit's AI recommendation for the day. I will come back to that in a second. So in the main view, you can pick any coin from Bybit's offerings. Let's say you click on a coin, you will immediately see a full rundown: current market price, market cap, volume, circulating supply, all of the key data you need. On the right side, you will see the AI assessment, which gives the coin a score. This score is based on things like community activity, X followers, social engagement, media exposure, basically how the coin is performing in the social media world, and whether there is any real hype behind it. This is actually really useful for spotting momentum early. You can also check the fundraising section to see the team behind the project and who the investors are. And then there is Bybit's own trend data, long/short ratio, inflow and outflow, volume, behavior trends, and more. And if after all of that you want to actually trade the coin, there is a Trade Now button right there. Click it, a pop-up will appear, and you can choose your preferred trading method: spot, futures, convert, loan, trading bot, or DCA. So you go from research to execution without ever leaving the page. That is a nice touch. Now going back to today's project pick, this is worth checking daily. It gives you the full AI assessment on whatever Bybit is highlighting that day. Perfect for a quick morning check to see what is on the radar. And then there is Daily Pulse, which is probably the one I would use most consistently as part of a daily routine. Daily Pulse gives you AI-driven portfolio insights that decode the daily news. So when you open it up, you can check the latest crypto news, see your top holdings, find out what pairs have been newly listed on Bybit, and basically get a full picture of what is happening in the market right now, all in one place. What I really like is the top holdings section. You can actually ask the AI for more information on any of your holdings directly from here, and it will give you a summary so you can make a better decision on whether to hold, add, or reduce your position. That kind of context is genuinely useful, especially on days when the market is moving fast and you do not have time to go digging through news articles. Now, and this is important, everything TradeGPT gives you is AI generated. So use it as a reference and a starting point, not as financial advice. Always do your own research before making any trading decisions. The AI is a tool to help you think, not to think for you. Now, a quick thought before we wrap up. Over the next few years, two kinds of traders will exist. One who uses AI to make their life simpler, and one who doesn't and still does everything manually. Same market, very different outcome. Here's how you get on the right side of that. I'm launching the AI Trade Edge community. Every single prompt, bot, agent, template, and step-by-step guide that I personally use, all in one place. And everything I build going forward gets added straight into the group. Every new integration, every new strategy, every new prompt, every update. We're talking TradingView integration, Telegram trading alerts, hyperliquid whale tracking. It's already inside. And the moment you join, you get it all. The price is $79.99 a month. And honestly, when you think about what this actually is, the most cutting-edge AI trading setup available to retail traders right now, constantly updated with everything included, that is not a lot of money. One good trade covers it. But the first 100 members lock in that rate permanently. After that, the price goes up. So the earlier you get in, the better the deal. The link is in the description. Get in now before the price goes up. You genuinely cannot afford to miss this. And that is it. TradeGPT on Bybit, fully broken down. Chat Now, Lens, Daily Pulse, all of it, step by step. If you have not signed up on Bybit yet, the link is in the description. If you want to go even deeper and see how to actually trade on Bybit, deposits, futures, the full platform walkthrough, I have got a video for that too. Check it out on screen right now. And if you want the full step-by-step guide on how to build your own agentic trading system using Claude, that video is popping up on screen as well. Go and check that out next. If this was useful, leave a like. It genuinely does help the channel grow. Subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you in the next one.